Hey everyone, welcome back to our class YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy tortilla wrap that you can eat for lunch or dinner. Now let's see the ingredients.
Okay, these will be the ingredients. You'll need a wrap, you'll need tomatoes, you'll need a lemon, cheese, any cheese you want, some cilantro, and some chicken.
The first thing you want to do is take a tortilla and heat it up in the microwave however much you want it.
Alright, after heating up your tortilla, the next thing you're going to be doing is adding some cheese. I have some sliced mild cheddar cheese here that I'm going to be putting onto my tortilla.
Some cilantro. So you'll be also needing to cut it or just don't add it. And so when you're finished, it'll turn out like this. So I just added some onions. So for the wrap, you will need a tomato, but you can't just use this, you'll need to cut it. So everything you need is just a knife, a cutting board, and your tomato. And everything you need to do is just be careful and just in cutting it. And then,
once you're finished adding tomatoes, you can add meat. I'm not going to, but you definitely can. I prefer adding the chicken, but you can add ham, turkey, anything works. Alright, and before we end, I'm going to show you how to fold this up. You're going to start on one side of the tortilla and wrap it really slowly, making sure that there are no creases or any air that is separating the tortilla and the contents inside. Alright, and once you're finished, I suggest you add a toothpick to secure all of the items inside. And I hope you enjoy. Bye!